So I'm going to be making a quick video on the AIYA soldering iron gun. So this is a perfect tool for beginners who just want to put wires on a board or even join wires together in a very convenient and easy way. And I'm just going to be showing you a little snippet of me putting a wire on a board, and it took like literally, I think, I don't know, maybe under 30 seconds to do it. So yeah, let's just cut to that bit. Wrong way. Ish. Done. Thing so tops. This is the final product. We got our power bank here. Let's put it on. Now the wire goes through that, like I poked a hole with the solder, going right to the board, which powers the light, so I don't need batteries anymore. Pretty cool.